Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Origin High Performance HEPA Filter Upright Corded Vacuum with a bold fuchsia silver color scheme. And Dyson makes a variety of wild, bold, and powerful vacuums, so check out the other listings as well. This has an instant release, high reach wand and includes accessories for all floor, delicate, pet, and hard to reach surfaces. The radial root cyclone technology captures dirt and microscopic dust, and it has self-adjusting cleaner head which seals in suction across carpets and hard floors. It has a combination tool, a stair tool, a lifetime washable HEPA filter as well, and the ball technology allows for easy steering. It's certified asthma and allergy friendly, traps allergens and bacteria. With whole machine HEPA filtration, no other vacuum expels cleaner air. It's got 1,827 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Very nice. Now let's check out a helpful review from Carol Dunlap, a verified purchaser. Once we figured out how to get it assembled, it was very easy to work. It has great suction and can easily be emptied of dirt. I'm 78, but it's so maneuverable that it does not really matter. We have carpeting, oriental rugs, and tile, and can easily switch modes. Very happy with the product. So there you go, pick up this excellent Dyson vacuum on Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it.